Hello friends. So, how charged are you after resting through this weekend? Are you all ready to break your personal records for 2021? Are you having some positive thought processes that this is what we are going to break even the negative effects of Corona? Yes, most of the people are now thinking on how to bounce back. We all need to bounce back after a very economically low 2020. So today I'm going to share with you the secrets of the mindset of abundance. How often have you wondered that why are some people so successful and some are always struggling? Well, the major reason behind is the thought process is that of a scarcity mindset. Yes, we keep ourselves in the mindset of the middle class. Now, what is this middle class mindset? The middle class mindset talks about saving for the future, saving for the old age, saving for children's education, saving for children's marriage. They leave everything on the saving mode. So even if they have the money goes into the banks in the saving mode. That is what has created a scarcity mindset. Now the same money, if a other person who has an abundance mindset, what will he do? He will invest that money, and that money simply multiplies. It adds value to the money system. What is this money system? Whatever you put into the money system, you get 10 times more. So invest profusely. Think of giving it to people and not saving for your own self. This is a huge secret that I'm talking to you about. The more you put your money into the universe, the more you get back. It could be from anywhere. You don't have to think from where will the money come. But you need to use the money that you have in an effective way and not just save. Now when you have this abundance mindset, you will see abundance all around you in the form of abundance of love, abundance of peace, abundance of new ideas, abundance of wealth, abundance of success. So learn how to develop the law of abundance and implement it on a daily basis. Wherever you go, whatever you do, make sure you implement this idea of abundance mindset. And within a few months, you will see a change coming into your whole being. You will start reflecting this abundance in your lifestyle, in your relationships with people, in everything around you. So start working from today. Nothing comes in a moment. You need to practice it. So on a daily basis, practice for the next 2 months the law of abundance. Somebody comes to you for help. Don't think twice of helping. Don't think you do not have money. Whatever you have, in whatever possible ways, if you can give back to the system, that will come back 10 times more. Have faith into the system. Give without any expectation. This is the thumb rule. If you are giving with expectation, it will not come back to you. But just give for the sake of helping, and it is bound to come back multiplied multiple times. Now with the secret that I have shared with you, I am sure you will try to work upon it and believe in the system and reap multiple benefits in all spheres of your life. Now, the abundance mindset has to start right away. Share this video with 10 other people and you will see abundance coming back to you the moment you share. So don't think twice on sharing this video. Please press the like, share and subscribe button to get more updates from me, your well-wisher for this year of 2020. Have a great year ahead.